We're at the Reese River upper section. Lots of rain for the last 2 days. It's dropped, I reckon it's probably at 80, maybe 75 at the moment. Going to Muddy Creek. From what I could see from up top, it looks a bit mental, but potentially can run the very bottom section at least. Some of the normally grade 2-3 section looks more than that at the moment. So we'll see what we can find. Should be interesting. Probably doesn't look like anything on here, but I need to avoid that hole and then avoid the shit on the left. Bottom of Muddy Creek and then that Alpha South Rapid. I've left some gear on the side here just in case I don't want to lose it. My phone. Just in case. Positivity. Alrighty, here we go. One more lap of this rowdiness. GoPro, stop recording.